Beat the summer heat fast with the KoolSiln 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, your go-to solution for cooling large spaces with power and precision. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below at the latest price. Whether it's your bedroom, home office, or garage, this AC unit is designed to bring quick relief, even in rooms up to 700 square feet. With a powerful cooling capacity and an oversized 77 degrees air outlet, the KoolSiln AC unit drops room temperatures from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 61 degrees Fahrenheit in as little as 15 minutes, making it ideal for larger living areas or workspaces. Its compact design doesn't compromise performance, while the energy-efficient operation ensures you get optimal cooling without skyrocketing electricity bills. Beyond just cooling, it features 3 functions in one: air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier, allowing you to customize comfort to your preference, season after season. This unit excels in quiet performance with noise levels as low as 44 dB, making it a smart choice for light sleepers and home offices. The dedicated sleep mode dims the display, lowers the fan volume, and maintains your set temperature throughout the night, ensuring uninterrupted rest. Thanks to the 360 degrees auto-evaporation technology, you don't have to worry about emptying water trays. Most condensation is automatically reused to cool the air. It also includes a washable rear air filter to keep your air clean and fresh. Operation is effortless with a dual control system. Choose between the LED touch panel or the included remote with a 23-foot range. Moving the unit between rooms is smooth and hassle-free, thanks to 360 degrees rotating wheels and ergonomic side handles. Installation is refreshingly simple, requiring no tools. Just connect the hose, secure the window kit, and plug it in. KoolSiln stands by its product with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime tech support, offering not just performance, but also peace of mind.